Civilizations do not expand because of curiosity. They expand because of economics. The moon will not be colonized by idealism. It will be colonized by profit, security, and power. Every major expansion in human history followed a resource discovery. Columbus did not sail for philosophy. He sailed for trade routes, spices, and commodities. Empires were built on sugar, gold, silver, oil, and industry. The moon will be built on energy, materials, and zero-gravity manufacturing. The moon offers uninterrupted solar energy. At the lunar poles, sunlight can reach nearly 100% of the time. A single square kilometer of lunar solar arrays could generate more power than many terrestrial power plants. Orbital solar stations could beam energy to Earth and space, creating a planetary power grid. Energy alone could become a multi-trillion-dollar export industry. Lunar regolith contains rare Earth elements, helium-3, titanium, aluminum, and silicon. These materials are critical for electronics, batteries, aerospace, and AI infrastructure. Mining on the moon avoids Earth's environmental constraints and geopolitical conflicts. A single large lunar mining operation could rival the GDP of small nations. Zero-gravity manufacturing is the hidden revolution. In microgravity, crystals grow perfectly. Pharmaceuticals can be produced with higher purity, and advanced materials can be fabricated without structural defects. The moon becomes humanity's high-precision factory. Products made in space will be sold back to Earth at premium value. The moon also becomes the gateway economy for the solar system. Every mission to Mars, asteroids, or deep space will use the moon as a staging hub. Fuel depots, shipyards, data centers, and AI research facilities will cluster there. The moon becomes the logistics capital of the solar system. Employment on the moon will be dominated by AI and robotics. Millions of robots will mine, build, repair, and manufacture. Humans will control strategy, governance, design, finance, and science. This creates a post-industrial civilization where human intelligence directs planetary-scale machines. For Earth, this changes everything. Pollution-heavy industry moves off-planet. Earth becomes a managed biosphere and cultural center. The moon becomes the industrial engine. This dual-planet economy allows humanity to grow without destroying its homeworld. The moon is not a science project. It is the next continent of global capitalism. And every time humanity opened a new continent, wealth, power, and civilization accelerated beyond imagination.